पास भी बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. I'm sure you can already see that there's this poster which says Hasina Parkar releasing on the 22nd of September. वही confusion है ना काफी लोगों को, वो confusion भी clear कर देंगे. But guys, today is going to be an awesome day because there's a treat for you. कहते हैं कि कभी-कभी जब ऐसी बारिश होती है जैसी यहाँ पे हो रही है, all you need is a nice cup of tea or coffee and some great music. We're going to provide you with the music. You just go find yourself that cup of tea. But इससे पहले कि मैं आपको आगे का प्लान बताऊं, let's just know what we already know. हसीना पारकर एक बहुत ही पोलराइजिंग फिगर, उनके ऊपर ये फिल्म बन रही है जो अपूर्व लाखिया बना रहे हैं. So eyes on the screen, let's revisit the trailer. आप अपने सारे सवाल जो है पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन let's call the captain of the ship, the director of the film on stage, Mr. Apoorv Lakhia. नहीं, पहले आपको बुलाएंगे, उसके बाद I'll also like to ask him a few questions on behalf of the media. Sir, वो अभी भी 22nd September कह रहा है. So I've been reading some amazing reports. Rose kuch na kuch, there's this word called postpone which is being used. Let's clarify that for everybody on Twitter right now.
People are free to write what they want here, as long as my film is in the news. We are coming on the 22nd of September. We've never said anything otherwise. And we are really looking forward to it. Today starts our promotion, and we're very excited about it.
So the reason why I've called you is because everything related to a film, till the director says action, you don't do it. तो आज एक ऐसा गाना for a film that is so hard hitting, ट्रेलर देख के समझ आ गया है. The first song that you've decided to release is a love song.
Yes, because ट्रेलर में लगता है कि थोड़ी एक्शन ओरिएंटेड और वायलेंट फिल्म है, लेकिन that's not the case, क्योंकि हसीना की जो लाइफ थी, जो हमने रिसर्च किया था, she was married to her elder brother's best friend, Ibrahim, who not only ran a restaurant in Jairaj Lane, but in his free time he used to work as a stuntman in the film industry. And they were madly in love. She got married at an extremely young age. He was a very decent guy. And they had 4 children. But unfortunately, because the gang was between Arun Gavli and Dawood Ibrahim, Gavli's people shot him. And it was amazing that at that age, she carried him on his shoulder all the way to JJ Hospital. So, you know, it's a tragic life of a woman who's, in some area she's a godmother, in some area she's a gangster, you know, but that is for people to decide. But the important part is that she had a beautiful marriage. She was in love with her husband, who she lost at a very early age. And this song is made by Sachin Jigar, who've done a fantastic track. Priya Jigar's wife has written it and sang it, and Arijit Singh has sung it. So we thought that this would be the ideal song to show people and show the world of the softer side of Hasina Parkar, because eventually when she was young she was a romantic and the victim of circumstances which got her to where she was, which is in this poster.
इसीलिए मैंने इनको बुलाया ताकि आपको ये गाने का कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे सकें, so that जब आप गाना देखेंगे, I'm talking about to the members of the media, so आपको समझ आएगा what exactly a love song, what Hasina Parkar's character was when she was younger. Thank you so much, sir. आपको action बोलना है, मैं तभी गाना चला सकता.
Action.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's the first song of. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Hasina and Hasina Parkar, Shraddha Kapoor.
हेलो चेक. हाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच कि आप सब आए. बारिश की वजह से मुझे पता है कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी एंड सब डिले हो गए, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर.
ऑल्सो इनके साथ जो स्क्रीन पे आपको दिख रहे थे इतने कॉन्फिडेंट, वो वैसे बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थे because he was very nervous. So let's invite on stage the gentleman who plays Shraddha's husband in the film, Ankur Bhatia. कैरेक्टर में ही आए हैं आज, बिल्कुल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टर इस फिल्म में, जिनकी वजह से ये स्टोरी जो आगे बढ़ती है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सिद्धार्थ कपूर. Okay. So सबसे पहले तो I have to ask you both, ठीक है? You're a seasoned actor and Ankur.
No, I'm absolutely nothing of the sort.
देखो 5 जब हो जाती है ना फिल्म में तो समझ लो कि आप seasoned हो.
ये भी modestly
किसने
बोल
रूल रखा है? ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है. No.
लेकिन
Long way to go.
अंकुर I think हिंदी फिल्मों में अब husband expert बन चुके हैं. He knows how to play.
यार ये क्वेश्चन जब आता है मुझे घर पे बहुत मार पड़ती है यार.
So अंकुर obviously सरबजीत में ऐश्वर्या के husband थे और इसमें अंकुर I have to ask you ये husband play करने का जो लोग husband हैं real life में they find it difficult. You have mastered this on screen, man.
यार इसका क्रेडिट मैं अपनी बीवी को दूंगा जिसने मुझे अच्छे से ट्रेन किया 10 साल. अभी भी रोज ट्रेनिंग मिलती रहती है मुझे. So चल जाता है काम.
Shraddha, I have to ask you this next question. ये जो character है हसीना पारकर का, we were just talking before we started this event कि एक बहुत polarizing figure है, ठीक है? They're very contradictory thoughts. काफी लोग जो हैं like in the film, कुछ लोग जो हैं they think that she was standing for them, and कुछ लोगों को लगता है that because she was Dawood's sister, so automatically everything about her was wrong. When you were reading the script, तो उस time पे what were you thinking? How to portray this character on screen?
आई थिंक पहली तो बात यह है कि जब अप्पू सर ने और चिंतन ने नरेशन दिया था मुझे क्योंकि एक ट्रू स्टोरी है क्योंकि ये एक ट्रू स्टोरी है. पहली चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत एक्चुअली आई वाज वेरी टेकन इन बाय द फैक्ट दैट कि इस औरत पे इतनी बीती है. शी इज़ गॉन थ्रू सो मच इन हर लाइफ और इतना लॉस उन्होंने महसूस किया है अपनी लाइफ में. तो बिकॉज दैट वॉज वन थिंग दैट आई फेल्ट यू नो एज अ पर्सन that really moved me a lot. But what I felt was a really interesting take with the script which Appu sir was very clear to take is उन्हें सारे perspectives दिखाने थे फिल्म में. तो चाहे वो whatever research he did, he spoke to the police, जो research उन्होंने किया family की तरफ से, तो सारे जो perspectives है, सारे points of views जो है वो Appu sir ने दिखाया है, and that's what he wanted to show through the film. If you want to add something to that, Appu sir.
I think जो श्रद्धा जी ने बोला was perfect, and actually I think firstly I should thank her and I should say hats off that उन्होंने ये picture की, because at this age her filmography has been different. She's playing a bubbly young actress and it takes I think a lot of guts for someone like Shraddha to play a mother of 4 kids, to be married and to age over 40 years, and I think that only comes out of the confidence she has in her own talent, and I'm extremely grateful that I got Shraddha through the film because she has just evolved into Hasina Parker.
Shraddha, what? Yes. कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
Yes, I want to say that he's being very generous and very sweet. So I mean, of course, I've said this before also, that I want to thank him for taking me for this part because ऐसे रोल्स बार बार नहीं आते और जब आपके डायरेक्टर को आप में इतना फेथ है, it just makes you also feel that you can do it. So yeah.
I want to know ये जो look है आपका, right? ये जो face आपका बड़ा लग रहा है इसमें, how prosthetics क्या मतलब कैसे? What did you put cotton balls? क्या था? Because that part is the one that everybody is talking about too. I was checking comments under the trailer, so उसमें मैं देख रहा था that people are talking about the look.
Actually, of course, जितना मुझसे हो पाया, I tried to gain weight for the film. Of course, तो about 7 to 8 kilos I gained for the film. पर of course हमें और ज़्यादा दिखाना था weight gain as per to stay true to the character after a certain age. So we took help from prosthetics and we used silicone prosthetics in the mouth, and it was a बहुत ही interesting experience था मेरे लिए क्योंकि जब आप पूरी तरह से तैयार हो जाते हो तो you actually start feeling the weight psychologically. You actually also start feeling that weight and you start walking like that and you just feel different.
Sir,
Music for the film. And we're very happy that he could make it.
I'll give you my mic. You have a long list of actors who have played this one character of Dawood Ibrahim in films, and I'm sure Siddhant, you've seen a lot of these films. जिस तरीके की फिल्में बन चुकी हैं, जो कैरेक्टर प्ले कर चुके हैं, same. Siddhant, obviously there must be a weight of expectations on you also, not just thinking. I mean, forget about the audience for a second. Film जब release होगी तो audience की बन जाती. I think that's what is true. कि Friday तक वो फिल्म आपकी है, Friday को वो audience की रह जाती है. But when you were playing that character, आपके ज़हन में चल रहा था all the other actors who played, how you want to play this character differently?
Yes, actually I did think about. मैंने सोचा था ऋषि सर, सोनू सूद, अक्षय कुमार, अजय देवगन, they are experienced legends as actors. But दाऊद इब्राहिम का जो कैरेक्टर हमारे फिल्म में वो 18 साल से लेकर 40 साल तक इवॉल्व होता है. तो किसी ने 18, 19, 20, 25 साल का दाऊद इब्राहिम नहीं दिखाया अब तक. तो वो हमें लिबर्टी थी, फ्रीडम थी कि हम वो एक लुक चेंज कर सके. वी कुड प्ले अराउंड विद द लुक. बट जब वो 35 क्रॉस करते हैं, everyone else has already played him, after 35, 40. So that's where the exact challenge was there. So basically when Appu sir ने मुझे फिल्म ऑफर की थी, तभी उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था कि मुझे पता है कि तुम एक्टिंग कर लोगे, लेकिन ये जो लुक है, तुम उनके जैसे, you look like him and you show it to me.
Carry कर पाओ,
carry कर, and I'll cast you in the film. तो मैंने एक फोटोग्राफर को हायर किया. अपने पिताजी की क्लोथ्स, 70s 80s की जो फिल्म्स थे वो यूज किए. बूट्स, हमारे घर पे जो बार है वो काफी 70s 80s का एक बार टाइप है, रामसे ब्रदर्स.
डैडी मस्ट बी रियली हैप्पी ना कि मैंने विलन का रोल प्ले किया था. अब दोनों जो मेरे बच्चे हैं, दे मैनेज टू प्ले सम विलेनस सॉर्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टर इन दिस.
Actually, I would not generalize our characters, because then you're putting a judgment and a point of view. So we're completely portraying this
as
with
only
all
a character.
As a character, yeah. And it's entirely up to the audiences to judge based on. Wow, your mic is really powerful.
Mine not.
Now suddenly I'm तो
check.
So हम मतलब ऐसा एक wide perspective दिखा रहे ताकि audience decide कर सके, and the audience can make their own judgment based on the film.
Okay, now I come to. I think I have a man crush on Sachin Jigar, and they know it because इनके स्टूडियो से जो गाना या जो एल्बम बन के आती है, and अगर किसी गाने पे दो नाम और जुड़ जाते हैं, which is Priya Saraiya and Arijit Singh, then without even hearing the song, you just have to wait क्योंकि वो गाना जिस दिन निकलेगा, it's going to be a hit song. Jigar, congratulations because you have a winner on your hands, man. And I think कहते हैं ना कि like the entire universe conspires. तो I think जिस तरीके का गाना आज निकला है, उसी के वजह से आज मुंबई शहर में ऐसी बारिश हो रही है. It's just like ironic. But listen, you have to talk about the song. Knowing a film like this, and I'm sure कि अपूर्व ने आपको brief दी होगी, okay, to come up with a love song like that, script पढ़ के, not even looking at the visuals, right? Because visuals तो बाद में shoot हुए होंगे. So what goes on, man? And especially इतने love songs बनते हैं यार. So हर love song में अलग कैसे करना है? How do you guys decide that?
So first I'd like to say that my better half isn't here क्योंकि बहुत बारिश है and he stays in Vidya Vihar, so he's in.
Oh, he? I thought Priya.
No. मेरा first better half Sachin ही है. तो because of the rains, but on his behalf I'll tell you it was Sachin's conviction that really pushed us to do this film, because मुझे नहीं पता था whether we'll be able to do this because it's entirely not Sachin Jigar and we've never done a gangster film. So एक brief थी अपूर्वा सर की कि we want to evolve, we want to show the evolvement of time and एक particular phase में एक गाना आता है, plus it's based in a certain locality. तो हमको शायद वो सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रख के in fact I want to say a small story. We had made another song which Apurva sir had actually approved and फिर हम कुछ 2 महीने बाद मिले वापस and he said चलो love song सुनते हैं, और हमने सुनाया and then we told him कि सर और एक गाना है ये हमने गुजराती में बनाया, आप सुनेंगे क्या? So he heard it and he said so let us forget the old one and get to the new one. I think that really struck the chord between us and Appu sir, that chalo if we wanted to change a song he accepted it, and he accepted like how.
Okay, so we'll come to the casting of the actors, but I want to ask you one more question. That एक love song के लिए अरिजीत सिंह कैसे कास्ट होता है, या वो गिवन होता है?
नहीं, गिवन बिल्कुल नहीं होता, स्पेशली इस पिक्चर में तो गिवन बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. और कंसिडरिंग अरिजीत he's known for all his love songs, but he's one guy who is the Kishore Kumar of our times. You know, you can ask him to sing Galti Se Mistake, he'll sing it. You can ask him to sing Saibo, he'll sing it. You can ask him to sing Tere Bina, he'll sing it. He can, I think, probably sing Suraj Dubha. He can sing anything under the sun. But for this particular song, we waited for him forever. I think वो बहुत busy थे. He was so busy with other stuff he was doing, but we made sure that we get him because this song had that kind of a range where we wanted to use him. Like Tere Bina is really, it shuffles between ranges, right? And then Priya has this really soft voice, so we wanted to just contradict it with Arijit's range. So that was pretty much the plan to do this song.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching us on Twitter. We are live. Remember, if you have any question to ask Shraddha or Apurva or Ankur or Siddhant, all you need to do is put in your question, use the hashtag Tere Bina, and I'm going to take those questions, and I'm also going to take questions from the media. Sir, एक सवाल, I think I have to ask you this. Shraddha को आपने cast किया है हसीना. सिद्धांत के बारे में कब, मतलब how did you think that the siblings should play the siblings?
Actually, it didn't work out that way. Number one and then came number two. So Siddhant and me play cricket together for our team, and we just talk, and he's a very good friend of mine. So हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, and like he said exactly, कि sir, think of me. So I said, चल तू मेरे को दिखा दे, हाँ चार. So I told him कि दिखा दे look. So he did this amazing photo shoot, and when he did this photo shoot, I said, boss, you're on. And after that, I was thinking, and then I told him one day that, bro, I want to meet your sister because I never met Shraddha before. So we gave her a narration, and I think she said yes then. So that was the easy part.
Shraddha, even I'm हाँ कि ऐसे उल्टा हुआ है कि फिल्म जो है वो एक फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट या एंटैगनिस्ट पे बनी हुई है और उसके बाद लास्ट एंड पे हम लोग इन पे आए.
That is correct. She's the last casting.
Wow. Shraddha, so when I look at your filmography, right? आपने जो फिल्में की हैं, like ABCD, सचिन जिगर जिसमें म्यूजिक जो है वो स्कोर कर चुके हैं, so they are also like lucky charms for you.
Oh yes, Bezuban, so nicely.
Unplugged, Bezuba फिर से जो मैंने इनके साथ किया और
surprise.
अभी I won't say anything right now because I don't know, so better not to say anything. But
yeah, how much we all want that to happen.
That also I don't know.
No. That is that.
I don't know how much who wants what to happen, but
Maybe you can recreate एक हसीना थी.
No. We don't want to recreate. That was. Listen.
One second.
Sorry.
So I was saying that हमने बेजुबान फिर से किया था और इनके स्टूडियो में मैं गई और मुझे we had so much fun together, and it was an amazing experience to work with them. And सुन साथिया जो है,
My God, कैसा डांस किया था देखा ना आपने?
I mean it's one of my top favorite songs, so I'm a huge fan of them.
So
I think that they just keep getting better and better.
So to cast Priya was actually the idea that you've related Priya with Shraddha on Sun Satya, so just get that combination back. But the one thing that Apurva sir told me when we started this film, and which is really like a brave thing, he said that listen, we are going to that era, but we are not recreating because I want original music. So I think that really is a big
Thank God for that.
thumbs up.
All right, I think I'm done with my questions. बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, but I have to give the members of the media the chance to ask the cast and of course the director of the film the questions. So Seema ji, let's start with you.
Hi, Shraddha.
Hi.
So, like we discussed this earlier, and some people from the industry have also been talking about it. Like it's very brave on your part to do this film at this early stage of your career. But did you have any apprehension in the beginning? You thought about it when Apurva approached you?
I never ever felt that what I'm doing is really brave or it's a very gutsy decision. I'm surprised also by these questions because for me the way that I judged making the decision was simply that it was great to just, it's an energy also, जब आप किसी के साथ बात करते हैं और time spend करते हैं, तो I really loved Apu's energy. That's the first thing. And of course, when you have such an amazing script, and his passion was just, you could just see it, I could just feel it, and I was like, I want to work with him. And I feel really blessed and very fortunate that he offered this film to me, because I think he could have gone to anybody with this film. And I'm sure that, you know, there would be so many people absolutely ready to do this film. So I feel really blessed that I got to do this film.
Shraddha?
Actually, we had cast someone else first, but the dates didn't work out, so then I went to Shraddha.
Shraddha Anugya Desai from Gujarat Mitra. કેમ છો?
મજામાં, તમે કેમ છો?
मजाમાં. श्रद्धा, मेरा सवाल ये है कि आप हसीना पारकर जी के फैमिली से मिले, क्योंकि ये रियल कैरेक्टर है, और भाई बहनों की कंपटीशन कितनी रही तगड़ी है, कौन किसको एक्टिंग में टक्कर देगा?
आप ऑन स्क्रीन टक्कर की बात कर रही है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में?
हाँ
ओके.
आई थिंक कंपटीशन तक तो पहुंचे ही नहीं, क्योंकि एक तो मैं बहुत नर्वस थी कि मैं मेरे भाई के साथ एक्ट कर रही हूँ. तो डेफिनेटली जब आप घर पे जो कमराडरी, घर पे जो केमिस्ट्री रहती है और हमारी जो दोस्ती है, ऑफ कोर्स हमें वो सब जो हम एक दूसरे को देखते हैं एज यू नो एज रियल लाइफ ब्रदर सिस्टर, तो पहली बार वी हैड टू सी ईच अदर एज कैरेक्टर्स. तो ऑफ कोर्स एक नर्वसनेस थी और एक एक्साइटमेंट भी था. तो कंपटीशन तो दूर की बात है, क्योंकि जस्ट टू गेट ओवर दैट, बट इट वाज अपू सर ने बहुत ही मतलब दिलचस्प, ही मेड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर अस, बिकॉज उन्होंने कहा कि जैसे ही आप रियल लाइफ में हैं वैसे ही आप ऑन स्क्रीन भी अपने कैरेक्टर्स को दिखाइए वैसे. तो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. आई डोंट नो, मतलब बहुत ही रेयर अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है जब आपको अपने भाई के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलता है.
Okay, we'll take one sec. We'll take questions from here, but there's also a question that is coming live on Twitter.
Hello.
It's not even a question. They want you to sing Tere Vina ki 2 lines. Oops. Oh, we're not allowed right now?
अभी तो गाना है. और
ये सब चीजें 2-3 महीनों के बाद.
मैं खराब कर दूंगी, प्लीज ये क्वेश्चन मत पूछो.
Okay, so एक सवाल और पूछ लेता हूँ जो आया है. They're saying कि ये मैं पूछने वाला था, अच्छा हुआ कि ये मैंने वेट किया है ट्विटर के लिए. They're saying that जो कैरेक्टर्स आप प्ले कर चुकी हैं उसमें एक ऐसी फिल्म में कैरेक्टर था which was Heather, जहाँ पे you were still playing a very sweet girl but it was a very dark film. Now you're playing a very dark character. Is this the plan that you want to balance it out?
See, actually मैं ये कैटेगराइज इस हसीना पारकर के कैरेक्टर को बिल्कुल कैटेगराइज नहीं करना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि ये जिस किस्म का कैरेक्टर है वो ऑडियंस को डिसाइड करना चाहिए. पहली बात तो ये है. डेफिनेटली बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग किरदार रहा है, और हमेशा जो हर फिल्म के साथ एफर्ट रहता है वो यही रहता है कि हमेशा कुछ अलग करूँ, हमेशा हमेशा टू ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू डू बेटर फ्रॉम माई प्रीवियस वर्क.
Right, we'll take one more question from here.
हाय अपूर्वा, आपके राइट में मेरा सवाल आपसे कि जब भी क्या हुआ?
आपका अधूरा रह गया.
उनका अधूरा रह गया सवाल. आलोक जी वेट कीजिए, आएंगे, पक्का आएंगे आपके पास. हाँ. So sweet.
श्रद्धा, मेरा सवाल ये है कि हसीना जी की जो रियल कैरेक्टर है उनका, और आप कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हैं, तो आप हसीना जी के फैमिली से मिले, क्या रिएक्शन था उनका?
यस, बिल्कुल हम मिले एंड बहुत बातें की हमने. वी हैड टू फाइंड आउट कि हसीना पारकर कैसी थी, उनका व्यवहार कैसा था, उनकी सोच कैसी थी. तो डेफिनेटली फॉर रिसर्च उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया, और हसीना जी के साथ वक्त स्पेंड करने का मौका नहीं मिला, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी पास्ड अवे. पर टू द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर एबिलिटीज जो भी रिसर्च हम कर पाए वो किया हमने.
अपूर्व सर, हाय ज्योति फ्रॉम जूम, इस तरफ जी. यहाँ
ज्योति जी.
हाँ, जी मेरा पहला सवाल है कि क्या हसीना पार्कर की फैमिली को आप दिखाने वाले हैं, जो भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं इस फिल्म को? और दूसरा सवाल ये है कि भूमि के साथ फिल्म अब रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो कितना कंपटीशन और कितना पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के साथ फिल्म रिलीज़ की जाएगी, कितना प्रमोशन और सारी चीज़ों पे ध्यान दिया जाएगा?
हेलो, हसीना जी के फैमिली को पर्टिकुलरली स्क्रीनिंग नहीं होने वाली है. जब कास्ट एंड क्रू की स्क्रीनिंग होती है तो वो दे वेलकम टू कम. But I spent a year and a half with Hasina Appa and did all my research. So her family is a pretty good friends of mine. So they've been coming to the set and it's a very casual atmosphere. So they can watch the film jab hamari cast and crew ki screening hoti hai. And as far as Bhumi is concerned, Sanju sir is a very close and dear friend of mine. We went to the same school together. But I mean, it's a film of two different genres. We spoke about it. There's no problem. Every week there are 3 to 4 films coming. So unfortunately or fortunately, we are coming together. 2 different films. I hope Sanju sir's film rocks because he deserves a big hit. He's come out and this is the first film he's done. And I'm releasing with him. It's a call made by the producers. As a director, I have nothing to say about that. And we stuck to our dates and there are 2 different films and hopefully both films will do well. And that's what we're hoping for.
So, Shraddha, my question.
There's one question which is again coming on. You know how,
Can we do it
like you know, कर रहे हैं आ रहा हूँ आप ही के पास आ रहा हूँ इसलिए तो मेरे को यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. So there's one bit which has become synonymous with you, which is actually a question that has come 4 times on Twitter already. इस फिल्म में आपका कोई बारिश सीन है क्या?
इस फिल्म में तो आप जब देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा, लेकिन आज जो बारिश हुई है,
सिद्धांत is already nodding है.
हाँ है. Again, and ये भी एक इत्तेफाक है तो.
All right, sir.
So, Shraddha, what was Apurva's brief to you and how were you convinced with it?
Apu's brief to me. What do you mean by brief?
Character.
Actually, वो अगर मैं अभी शुरू करूँगी तो कल तक भी नहीं खत्म होगा.
But a glimpse out of it.
Because एक तो इन्होंने इतना रिसर्च किया, जिस तरह का रिसर्च इन्होंने किया, it's unbelievable. He went into so much depth. And it was a process every single day. We would be in touch and we would chat about how Hasina Parker should come alive on the big screen. And you know, he was the one who said, you know, that to get into the skin we need to look like her, which is very important. So we tried out many things, many designs as to how to make me look as close to her as possible. And you know, because there is no, so there had to be a process also from the age of 17 to about 45. Then of course spending time with the family, then of course readings, and of course a lot has gone into this film. So yeah, I hope that when everybody sees it, I hope that they enjoy watching it.
वर्कशॉप्स थे हमारे एक्चुअली काफ़ी. समर सर करके एक सर थे हमारे क्रिएटिंग कैरेक्टर्स के साथ. सो मैं और अंकुर काफ़ी गए वहाँ पर टू गेट इनटू हिज साइकी, टू द स्किन ऑफ हिज कैरेक्टर. समटाइम्स ही प्लेड हसीना पार्कर, आई प्लेड भाई. समटाइम्स ही आई मीन
मैंने इसको हसीना बन के पूरी 1 महीने तैयारी कराई है यार. So he did very well.
क्योंकि हमारे पास हसीना पार्कर नहीं थी तभी, so unfortunately he had to be, because there's only 2 actors and 1 sir. But also Apurva sir used to feed us a lot of food. वो घर से ना भेजते थे रात को, ये खाओ वो खाओ, अगर मैं नहीं खाता था ना तो he used to get pissed off. You have to put on weight, otherwise I won't cast you for the film and all, तो मोटे होके अभी पतले होने की कोशिश जारी है बस.
अपूर्वा सर, नॉर्मली अंडरवर्ल्ड पे अगर फिल्म बनती है तो थ्रेट एंड कॉल अंडरवर्ल्ड से आते हैं, तो कुछ ऐसी कॉल्स
एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर सकती हैं?
नॉर्मली अगर अंडरवर्ल्ड पे कोई फिल्म बनती है तो थ्रेट एंड कॉल्स आते हैं, धमकी भरे लेटर्स आते हैं, तो कुछ ऐसी वाकया हुआ जब आपने
पहले आ चुके होंगे ना आपको,
या जब अब रिलीज होने जा रही है?
नहीं, मेरे ऊपर वो लोग पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि मेरे से उनको यही उम्मीद है. लेकिन मेरे को तो कोई फोन नहीं आया था, सिर्फ मेरी मम्मी का फोन आया था, बी केयरफुल ब्रो, बस वही. Not yet, because our release is 22nd. So there's no point sending it so fast, but we booked a date for the 5th. No, there's nothing to fear, because the film, I guess you'll only understand it when you see it. It's a journey of a woman from when she's 17 to 40. Obviously, in that journey, क्या-क्या हुआ था, बॉम्बे ब्लास्ट हुए थे, बॉम्बे राइट्स हुए थे, बाबरी मस्जिद हुई थी. तो ये एक जर्नी है जो हमने 2 घंटे में फिट करने का ट्राई किया है. तो ऐसी कुछ बात तो है ही नहीं जो हमें लगता है कि will be objectionable. Also, there are certain instances in the film where we've given the exact dates. And those instances have taken place. There are newspaper cuttings, everyone knows about it, they research it. So it's we've tried to make it as realistic as possible. So I don't see any reason why, and plus I don't use abuses in my film. I don't degrade women by any means, and I try and make clean films.
There's a question which is again on Twitter. Are you planning to release this film abroad, specifically Germany? Question that is coming from Germany.
Bro, I have no idea. I'll have to call my overseas distributor and please request him to release it in Germany.
Okay.
અપૂર્વજી મારો પ્રશ્ન તમને છે કે દુબઈ અને પાકિસ્તાનમાં ફિલ્મ રિલીઝ થશે?
Sir, repeat कीजिए answer.
दुबई में तो चौक्कस हसे अब पाकिस्तान I don't know what the laws of the country are right now के films हिंदी films allowed है कि नहीं. पण दुबई we are expecting it to be a major market for us. We are also promoting in Dubai. तो दुबई में तो चौक्कस हसे पण पाकिस्तान में મને હમણાં ખબર નથી કે ગવર્મેન્ટના પોલિસી બદલાઈ છે કે નહીં as far as Indian releases are concerned.
મ્યુઝિક કમ્પોઝર કેટલા ચેલેન્જીસ लाग्યા તમને આ ફિલ્મ માટે સ્પેશિયલ?
Sakhat, all films are challenges. This one was a bigger one because it's something we've not done. And Apurva sir is the kind of guy who will not keep coming back to you. Okay, ye karo, ye karo, ye karo. He'll give you a brief and leave it to you. And the amount of confidence he's shown to us, I think we've just tried to be what naturally we can.
But in my next film with them, I'm going to change that. Because it's a heart attack. They don't call you for 20 days. So now I'm going to change that because as a director, you're so anxious. And I tell them that, can I do the sitting? He said, no. We'll call you and then he'll call me at 11:30 at night. Ke sir, su gayan bani hui chhe, aayi jao inga. And that's how this Tere Bina started because we were sitting and it was Tara Bina. So we were jamming in Gujarati. And we said, this is the song we want. So, yeah.
I know.
It's you have to be very patient because they keep your heartbeat going.
I can't reveal much about the other songs, but there is another song for which we made one song, he approved, we made second, he approved, we made third, he approved, and finally we went to the fourth one. तो अगर किसी को चाहिए तो हमारे पास 3 गाने पड़े हुए.
I'll also take this opportunity once to invite our music partners, the team of Saregama onto stage because I think you guys are getting anxious and the rain is not stopping. So, guys, please come on stage here.
अभी भी yes. I have to. So the process is on. One step at a time. Yes.
Okay, so very important question, and I'll ask you one question because, like Apurva said, everybody's getting anxious because I don't think this rain is about to stop. I think the music plays such an important part in creating that kind of buzz around a film. तो जब कोई film आ रही होती है, सबसे पहले उसका music हमारे पास आता है, उसके visuals आते हैं, right? So, as a music label, as Saregama, what goes on deciding which film do I want to partner with and why Hasina Parkar specifically?
Okay, so as you can see here, the moment we come to know about a cast, crew, and the team who is making a film, obviously you get a confidence that what kind of song is going to come. Actors like Shraddha, Boss is anyway, Champion, Jigar is there. So obviously we don't think much about taking any such movie for fantastic songs. As a label, obviously we promote good music. And again, in that same journey, this is again a movie, and we are confident. As today we have seen one song, you will see more songs. It's going to be a fantastic film with a fantastic music. Yeah. Thank you.
And you have a winner on your hands, I can promise you that. I have a year too, Jigar knows that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this live on Twitter. Remember, the song is out, go watch it. And yes, if you want to comment on the song on Twitter, hashtag Tere Vinna is the hashtag to go by.
Wait, I want to say something because it's live from my Twitter. Everybody, thank you for, where's the Twitter camera? Sorry. Hello. Thank you everybody for tuning in, and thank you everyone over here. Thank you so much. I know the rains are going to, but thank you for coming despite the rain and for being here and showing your support. It means a lot to us. 22nd of September, please remember our film is releasing. Everyone on Twitter, thank you so much for logging in, and we hope you like the song. And 22nd of September is the new release date for our film. Yes, 22nd. I said 22nd only. Huh. I was like, did I say something else? So yes, 22nd of September, please remember, and we will see you soon. Bye.